Launcher Error Code 4, Authentication Error. 1. Use mobile hotspot, most important fix. This is the fastest and most effective solution. Turn on hotspot from your phone. Connect your PC to the hotspot. Open Rockstar Games Launcher and log in. If it works on hotspot, your main internet Wi-Fi router/ISP is the problem. Why this works: some ISPs or routers block Rockstar's authentication servers or mess with DNS routing. A mobile network bypasses that completely. 2. Restart router and change network. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Try a different network if available. 3. Use a VPN. Install any trusted VPN. Connect to a different country, US, UK recommended. Launch Rockstar Launcher again. 4. Reset network settings windows. 1. Open command prompt as administrator. 2. Run these commands. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Restart your PC. 5. Clear Rockstar Launcher cache. Close launcher completely. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete the web cache folder. 6. Disable Firewall, antivirus, temporarily turn off Windows Defender or any antivirus. Try launching again. Don't forget to turn it back on after testing. Reinstall Rockstar Games Launcher. Uninstall Launcher. Download latest version from official site. Install again. Bonus tip: make sure date and time are correct. Windows is updated. No background apps blocking connection. Short explanation. Error code 4 equals launcher can't authenticate with Rockstar servers. Most of the time, network issue, not your account. If you want